Hey Siri, roast battle?
Prepare to die.
Wow, that was dark.
Your mom is so stupid. She's living proof that humans can live without a brain.
Your mom is so ugly, she makes fidget spinners stop spinning.
Your mom is so stupid. She talks in an envelope to send a voicemail.
Your mom is so ugly, she looked in the mirror and the glass cracked.
Your mom is so stupid. When I said the act is stealing the show, she called the police.
Your mom is so stupid, she called me to ask me for my phone number.
Your mom is so ugly. I heard your dad first met her at the zoo. Your mom is so dirty.
Wait, I didn't go yet.
When she washes up, her water looks like chocolate. Your mom is so dirty. Her breath stinks worse than my poop.
Wait, you can poop?
Your mom is so fat. When Thanos snapped his fingers, she only lost some weight.
Okay, we're done, Siri. Like the video if I won.
No, subscribe if I won.